Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, deals, notices, and fun, fun, fun. My husband has always had a desire to do a world cruise. And he would go through the brochures, he would look at the sailings, and he would really get into this mood. And he always said, this is his dream. Now, ladies and gentlemen, hold tight onto your seats. We just got the release of the 2020 Oceania World Cruise Sailing. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Now, many times you've heard me say that whatever we are offering is, especially on our Alaska offer that we just put out, it spoke about it being 180 degrees from our normal. Well, guys, this is not only 180 degrees from our normal, it's actually 180 days sailing. This is so much fun. So we are inviting you to join us on something never embarked on with the Sheri-Fun Vibe, our sail of 2020 World Cruise. Now, a few persons might have a little more time and even a little more disposable income. We are not going to leave you out. You can extend your 180-day sailing to 200 days. Why not? They offer free laundry. What more do you really need? So join us as we take advantage of the new release of 2020 World Cruise departing Miami the 8th of January. Now, ladies and gentlemen, remember the World Cruises sell out so fast. As you quint, it done. Seriously, believe me. So my suggestion, if you're thinking about a world cruise, or better yet, if you're really thinking about seeing the world, I need to hear from you now. Period. That's it. Call me now. Free air, free transfers. And it gets better. Smaller ports. I cannot tell you everything that's on the video because you're gonna see it in a moment. Guys, January 8th, 2020. Departing Miami. 180 days. Oceania World Cruise. We are all about the fun. Enjoy.